Hey everyone, let's jump right into using RansomLab 2 in Photoshop. First things first, let's install the plugin. You'll double-click the CCX file, which opens your Adobe Creative Cloud dashboard. Hit Install, press OK, and open Photoshop. Once installed, you can find the plugin under the Plugins menu in Photoshop. Just head to the Plugins menu and select RansomLab. Before diving in, there's a small setup. Just click Select, find the RansomLab 2.0 folder on your drive, and open it. Now let's create a new document. Just type your text. You can add or remove columns with the plus and minus icons. For instance, my first column is Ransom and the second Lab. When you're ready, hit Generate to launch the Ransomizer panel. Here you can press Random for a new character selection or reload individual characters with a right or left click. You can navigate columns with the arrows or the drop-down menu. Once you hit Place, RansomLab will place each character separately as a smart object in your composition. For free transform, use Command+T on Mac or Ctrl+T on Windows. Time to spice it up in the Gallery tab. Here you can add letters, backgrounds, overlays, and many more. I'm replacing the letter M. Yeah, looks better. And let's swap the L too. For paper backgrounds, click Extra under Filter, then Backgrounds. You can select a background here and place it with a left click. They should be placed at the bottom of all layers. Let's move on to overlays. I'll use tape stripes to finish it off. Also, I'm replacing the letter O with a picture from the College Items library. Alright, let's explore one of the coolest features of RansomLab 2, the Ransom Note Creator. This is where your creativity can truly shine. First, you need to open the Creator Template PSD file. You'll find this in the Creator tab. Once you've opened the template, look for the smart object highlighted in red. Double-click on it to dive into customization. Let's create the letter B and change its background color. Close the window, hit Save, and voila! Click the eye symbol to toggle between textures, adjust opacity, mix, and blend them to get the old-school magazine print look. Explore pre-made masks in the folder for various cuts and torn styles. These can be resized using the Transform tool. You can custom cut out your letters in several ways. For a quick and easy cut, use the polygonal lasso tool. Select the custom layer in the Mask Knockout folder, add a layer mask, and click the eye symbol to toggle. Finally, invert the mask with Command+I on Mac or Control+I on Windows. To save your letters, first create a custom gallery, name it, and press OK. Select your target folder and click Open. Choose the gallery, type, and letter that corresponds with it. Open Folder shows your selected folder on the drive. Save your future creations here, including extended Latin characters. Just click Save PNG file, name it, and press OK. The custom gallery is also where you will find your characters. Alright, let's move on to something really fun, adding vintage flair with torn paper frames. These frames are a fantastic way to give your design that aged, time-worn look. Head over to the library and you'll find a variety of torn paper frames. Pick one that resonates with your project's vibe. Now, here's the cool part, double-click on the frame to open a new window. This is where you can insert your photo or any image you want within that frame, position it just right, hit save, and watch how it seamlessly integrates into your design, giving it an authentic vintage feel. But we're not done yet. To truly make your design pop, it's time to add some collage elements. Think of these elements as the spices in a dish. They add flavor and character. Dive into the gallery and you'll find a plethora of options, from classic cutouts to abstract shapes. Mix and match these to your heart's content. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about what speaks to your creative vision. And there you have it, RansomLab 2 in a nutshell. Thanks for tuning in. Keep creating and stay awesome.